Hello friends! Miss Lunette here. I am so happy that you're here. Today, we are going on a picnic. Would you like to join us today? Ah, wonderful! We're still getting ready to go to this picnic, but maybe you can help me get ready to go. I have a list here of what we need to do. Maybe you can help me get ready for the picnic. Here are the things we still need to do. We need to make some sandwiches. I really like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. What kind of sandwiches do you like? Ooh, it sounds yummy. Then we need to get some apples for all of us. Let's see here. We need 1 apple for me, 1 apple for Astrid, 1 apple for Nova, and 1 apple for you. How many apples is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 apples. All right. And then the final thing is we need to get Astrid's favorite book. Astrid loves to read while we're on a picnic. She wants to read a book with a caterpillar on it. I guess we'll have to see what book we have. Let's get started. Come with me. Let's follow the steps to make a sandwich. First, we need 2 pieces of bread. 1, 2. Great! Let's see what the next step is. Next, we need to put some peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Go ahead and take your spatula, scoop up some peanut butter, and put it on on 1 slice of bread. Great job! Let's take a look at the next step. Next, we need to put some jelly on the other bread. Very carefully, let's take some jelly and put it on the bread. Don't forget to spread it around. Next step is we need to put the peanut butter side and the jelly side together, and that makes a sandwich. Let's try. Take your slices and smush. Ta-da! We've made a sandwich! Great job, friends! Thanks for helping. Hooray! We made some sandwiches! Thank you so much for helping me with that. It was really important to follow the directions. Let's go ahead and check that off of our list. Check! So far, we have made our sandwiches. The next thing is we need to get some apples for our picnic. Now, I counted how many apples we needed for our picnic. We needed 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for Astrid, and 1 for Nova. How many apples is that? 4! That's right! We need 4 apples. Let's see if we can find some. Here are some fruit. Let's see which ones are apples. We'll put the apples on this side and the pears on this side. What fruit is this one? That's a pear. That's right. Go ahead and point to where I should put the pear. Over here, right. Now what fruit is this? That's an apple, right. Now which side should I put this apple? Over here, yes. Is this an apple or a pear? That's an apple, that's right. This should go on this side. What fruit is this? That's a pear, right! That should go on this side. Oops. Is this an apple or a pear? An apple, right! That goes on this side. Is this an apple or a pear? That's a pear, that's right! Let's put it over here. What fruit is this? An apple, right! Let's put it with the other apples. Great job! Now let's count how many apples we have. We need 4 apples. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 apples. Good job, friend. We did it. That was some great counting, friend. Thank you so much for helping me with that. Let's take a look at our list. We've gotten our apples. Check. Now we need to get Astrid's book. Of course. Astrid loves to read when she's on a picnic. What do you like to do on a picnic? That sounds like fun. Well, let's take a look at the books that we have and let's see if we can find the one that Astrid said that she likes. Come on. So Astrid said that she wanted to read a book that had a caterpillar on it. I have these 2 books that we like to read. Which one has a caterpillar on it? This one, right! This one is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar. That makes sense. I get very hungry on a picnic too. Oh, my goldfish. I think we've done everything on our list. We got our sandwiches made. We've gotten all of the apples that we need. And we found Astrid's book. Hooray! We did it! Let's go on a picnic. Now to get to the picnic area, we need to pretend to row our boats. Come play along with me. Let's hop into our boats. Hop! Great job, friends. Now you can go and sit down in your boat if you'd like. Very good. Now let's take our oar. An oar is that long paddle that you use in order to row a boat. Hold it with 2 hands. Good job! And now let's row, 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 row. Doesn't that sound like a song? Right! Row, row, row your boats. Let's sing it together. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ooh, maybe we can sing it super slow. Are you ready? Okay, we're gonna do super slow like a sloth. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. That sounded so silly, friend. Let's see if we can sing this super duper fast. Are you ready? Ooh, okay, we gotta get prepared for this. Here we go. Grab your oar. We're gonna go super fast. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently on the stream. Merrily, merrily, life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently on the stream. Merrily, oh my goldfish, that was super fast. You're super silly, friend. High five. Boop. And We made it to our picnic! Hooray! I have a sandwich for you, and an apple, and maybe we can read this book together. Would you like to read the story with me and Astrid? Wonderful! Let me go ahead and get the book. This book is called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears. 1, 2. But he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. 1, 2, 3. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomach ache. Ooh. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then, he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly! Wow, what a great picnic. We got to eat our food, we got to sing a song, and we got to read a book. Sounds like a great day. Thank you so much for your help, my friend. I couldn't have done it without you. I hope we play together again soon. Bye. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Toodaloo, kangaroo, I had so much fun with you. Love you lots, tater tots. See you soon, raccoon. I had so much fun today. I hope to see you soon. Bye, friend. See you next time.